I just made a last-minute impulsive decision to just drive into Manhattan in the middle of a Wednesday and see if I can find free parking in Chinatown. There's a couple of apps that show what streets that people have been able to park for free. No meters even. This could turn out to be a disaster driving into the city on a weekday. Hopefully the worst thing that happens is that I end up parking in a garage. But I didn't make a reservation like I did with the other garage, so that might not even happen. I usually plan things out carefully, but every once in a while I just wing it. This is the street I was hoping to park on, but I don't see any spaces. I'll just go to the nearest garage and hopefully they can accommodate me. So this garage is right in the middle of Chinatown. It'll probably cost me an arm and a leg, but if they have a space available, I'll just be grateful for that. And they do. And we'll be spending the day here in Chinatown. The food smells really good, and it's almost lunchtime. I want to eat something exotic I've never had before. Chinatown was almost all men in the beginning. It was called a bachelor society in the 1880s. The men came over to work, and then this country started passing laws to keep the Chinese out, because they were taking jobs away from Americans. This chopstick shop is supposed to be a must-see. Works of art. Very elegant. Made from sandalwood and mahogany. Teak wood, some are silver or gold-plated, inlaid with pearl. Beautiful craftsmanship. Is that sales clerk talking to me?
No camera.
Okay, let's move on then. What will I have to eat? I can't handle anything disgusting like frog brains or turtle intestines. Definitely not eel. I'll gag or worse. This is Columbus Park, where the elderly Chinese meet and play mahjong. These ladies are playing cards. Early in the morning they do Tai Chi in that park. That would be cool to see. And luckily that park had public bathrooms. There are even apps showing where the public bathrooms are in New York. This city has an app for every occasion. When they speak Chinese, it sounds like they're having an argument, but then they'll laugh like they're not angry. Somebody explained to me it's how the language is spoken with different intonations. This street was called Murder Alley because of the Chinese gang warfare that would happen here about 100 years ago.
No camera.
I'm gonna end up murdered here for the crime of photography. Anyway, there are secret passageways the gangs use for a quick getaway, and they still exist. And if I find one, I'll be able to walk through it, and it'll take me out to a different street. Is this the secret passageway? No, it doesn't look like it. I don't think so. Not it either. It's supposed to be right around this area. Kinda dark down there. I think I'm gonna pass on walking through the tunnel. This gift shop is about the size of a closet. It's called Ting's, and it's the oldest gift shop around here, and it's considered to have the most authentic Chinese goods. And I'm gonna look around without a camera so I don't get yelled at. Are you gonna be somebody's lunch today? So I've decided on my exotic food. This is black sesame ice cream made with black sesame seeds. And these marbles are called popping boba lychee. Lychee is a Chinese fruit, and these will pop in my mouth. The ice cream has a subtle flavor. I guess it tastes like sesame seeds. And the popping lychee is sweet like fruit usually is, also very subtle. And it is safe for dogs. It was very good and different.
Thank you.
No camera.
This lady just thanked me profusely for my donation, and now she's refusing to sing because of my camera. Unbelievable. I'll put the camera down and record the music only. So I looked on the internet to see why they get kind of hostile about the cameras, and according to other tourists, these old Chinatown women are mean and rude even if you don't have a camera. I'm ready for a foot rub right about now, but I'm determined to walk over the Brooklyn Bridge, which isn't far from here. I've been walking for at least 3 hours. Chinatown's a lot bigger than I thought. And the bridge is way up there. I gotta do it. It's the Brooklyn Bridge. Almost there. We made it, Candy. You've been on the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco and now the Brooklyn Bridge. Now I feel exhilarated, and that'll give me the energy to walk all the way back.